Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the unarc.dll is done.dll, especially when you are trying to install the games. So this error code, you can encounter this error code when you are trying to install the game. Here the isDone.dll and RDL error in Windows 10 is mostly related to installation of PC games, as well as programs of large size. Large games or programs have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installations. This ups your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAMs or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may show this error. So here, the first thing to do, you can try to run Windows R button. You can press Windows plus R button on your keyboard to open run CMD, run command box, sorry. So you can type sysdm.cpl. Let's try sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Here you can click Advanced. Click again on Performance Settings. And this is performance options. You can tap or you can click on advanced. Here you can change your virtual memory, untick the box and fill this custom size. So in order to fill it, you have to learn how much your RAM. For most games 2.5 GB is enough, so the values which will work in most cases is 403,000. Note that the files are megabytes, so this maximum paging file size to turn off 3 gigabytes. Again, back to your RAM of your PC or laptop, you can try to custom the size. After that, you can reboot your PC, your laptop, and try to reinstall the game or the apps. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next